In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlike Instagram posts. So what you can do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right, and then go and click the three bars at the top right. From here, you just want to go where it says how you use Instagram and go ahead and go click your activity. After that, you just want to go to your interactions and go to likes. Once that loads up, then what you can do here is you can have a lot of filters and stuff like that to really customize what you want to see. But all you really have to do is go to the top right and hit select. And then choose the post that you want to unlike. So I'm just going to choose, I guess, this one here. And then you'll see at the very bottom of your phone, it says unlike, and then it has the amount that you selected. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. We'll hit unlike. And then the post disappears, what you liked disappears. And that's how you would go about unliking a post on Instagram. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.